Finding a parking at Dubai Mall is a task. And if you're visiting Dubai Mall only to watch the fountain show or Burj Khalifa, then I believe this will be the most closest parking. The closest parking will be the fashion parking, and I have linked the directions in the description box. But if you're like me and need detailed directions, then please watch this video. So as you drive on Sheikh Zayed Road from Abu Dhabi, you will need to take exit 50. When you come across this signboard, you follow Burj Khalifa. And then when you find the second signboard, again follow Burj Khalifa. As you go further, you'll get another signboard, and now you follow Dubai Mall. And as you go further, you'll find another signboard. Now you follow Dubai Mall again. So remember, from exit 50, it is Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, Dubai Mall. Now when you follow the direction, keep on the rightmost lane, because you will have to take a right where it says fashion parking. After this signboard, you will find a road going to the right which says Al Mustaqabal Street. So follow this street, which will directly lead you to the signal at the fashion parking. So this is where you need to reach. I'll be linking the direction to this place in my description box. So once you are at the signal, you have to take a left from here and you will find this Fashion Avenue parking. So we parked in level P5 and the elevator also was close by, and we just had to walk 4 minutes and 45 seconds to see the beautiful Burj Khalifa and the fountains. I have also uploaded a video on our visit to the Dubai Mall, so please do check it out. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. On my channel, I post content about my life in Dubai, and I share my tips on how to save money in Dubai. And I also share about the deals and offers that I come across on a day-to-day basis. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.